No dancehall, wake up, you know, the album dropping up forever, you know. I tell them about Psalms already, you know. But that one in on a roll, you know, hot, you know. It's bad than Cartel album. It's bad than Alkaline album.
So you remove your pussy wall and come down.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
So yo, I'm not ashamed. No, you tell me now, take a good look on this professor. And tell me if you're not ashamed, which dancehall artist who ever done this? Eh? We have 3 albums a stream, the most streamed album. Eh? Right now, in the top 10 chart. Number 1, 9 and 10. Which dancehall artist will do this? Masicka, come on.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Masicka, please, let me tell you. Don't drop no more album for dancehall. The album them bigger than dancehall.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
Most of Vybz Kartel and Alkaline save Masicka career. Yeah, man, I know that my son a way to, you know, but I'm going to explain and tell you why Vybz Kartel and Alkaline save Masicka career. You see?
A few moments later.
Until Masicka clash Alkaline and this Alkaline, we don't want to get in front of you, Michi. Just go on over this, so move, please and thank you. Just be nice. Just go over this and sing a look 1 and 2 songs with the same flow. All of them sound repetitive. You fuck like a.
No, say Alkaline bad. Alkaline is a teaser. Yes. He said what he said and he said what he said. Power.
1 eternity later.
We're not telling a lot of people. Masicka forgot splash with Alkaline.
1 eternity later.
Alkaline and Vybz Kartel attempt to step on Masicka's album release. So Vybz Kartel and Alkaline both release a song, and I want you to know that Masicka himself did not release a song either on Alkaline's album date or.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Fox bunny up, you know. Yeah, man. People, what really are going? Wait, Masicka na drop an album. Like, if Masicka drop the album, when you look at the Alkaline name, how go on? So Masicka could just drop him album and just promote the album without even calling Alkaline name, bro. That's why I try to show and say, bro, una run, I just hype una run with, you know. I just hype. You can't say a few minutes after this, una forget. We don't do this with Masicka album all the time. All the time. And him not find no major hit out of it. Especially if you realize say, yo, is a label behind this album and the last one. And him not get no major hit out of it. The only song we can say, yo, Ray, a Wise never dip on the album them. All I just hype. When I love about it, I love the promotion. Def Jam spend some money for promote that album, ya people. And no normal money them a use. Me I tell you that because some people when me see, me I say, yo, money a run. Even at the Barclays Center thing, a big money a run, me I tell you, the whole ground. You see the bag of interview them wanna see all of them look at something there. Yeah man, me I tell you people. But you hear what Neako fire say.
No dancehall, wake up, you know, the album dropping up forever, you know. I tell them about Psalms already, you know. But that one in on a roll, you know, hot, you know.
Yeah man.
Hot, you know. It's bad than Cartel album. It's bad than Alkaline album.
Yo, me I tell you, know. See, sometime, bro, when if you just make the man just run with him album, a good album, me G, but me just feel like, say, I just some, you know, depend some hype thing because you don't know Alkaline drop album and Cartel drop album. So you don't know, Masicka smart because I know him usual release date in August, and more like December. So I understand, say, yo, him release it just to ride the wave. I may understand that, but I just feel like, say, you know, I try propel Masicka album after the rest of the album then. You know, can't just say a good album without saying, talk about the other projects them will drop. You understand? But I know, say, this is just for your time, you know. You see me, because you only run with hype and them thing, and then after that, you understand? I just one of them thing there. A good album, you don't know, to me, Masicka more like can say it's like a higher percentage of a reggae artist and dancer. Is it? I just that. Remember say, when you check it, the label I put in the work, all of them thing there. Most of the beats them pan it is more like a hip hop beat. You understand? I don't see much dancehall beat in it. I just be a hip hop. So I just one of them thing, but a good album still. You understand?
I want it for them get talent, you know. I put it on. I never talk to him and tell me talking and now for not a
Yeah, man.
Don't comment and tell me one of your favorite song for the album, you know.
Yeah, man. See, sometime the
don't comment on
man,
your favorite song for the album. Forever, you know. Masicka do it, man. The album clean.
Yo, me see man over TikTok and CJ Milan send him a fat. What cost for a lion or dragon? I don't know. Some big money. Yo, all I see my promote. Go and make your money, yo.
Song, be a song. Road, man.
I know why worst thing, people. Yo, I love when them say a B8 song, Masicka. We just love it, bro, because it's when him go out to show them. It make it look a way for say that when them say a B8 song, me G. Me I tell you that. You see boy, when the force right Masicka love G. You see me? And then when him reach out, there's a different thing. But I say you go, when I go see what go on.
I'm not ashamed. No, you tell me now, take a good look on this oppressor. And tell me if you're not ashamed. Which dancehall artists have ever done this? Eh? We have 3 albums a stream. The most streamed album. Eh? Right now. In the top 10 chart. Number 1, 9 and 10. Which dancehall artists will do this? Masicka. Come on, Masicka. Come on, man. You can't do this, bro. Like, come on now. 4, 3 hits still up on it. Generation of Kings still up on it. Eh? Masicka, please, let me tell you. Don't drop no more album for dancehall. The album them bigger than dancehall. Your album.
Yo, I tell you, so them cocks are delusional, you know, bro. Them delusional, you know. Them delusional, they're freak, dog. Bro, you see, sometimes, brother, sometimes on the run with some hype and something we do already, you know, my G. You understand? But we know say a fool no think that. We don't come like Masicka on yourself. You see it? Yeah, man, car. So I think when I see now hype over my G, I have to just laugh. I tell you.
Are bigger than dancehall. Believe me when I tell you this. And you see the album where you just dropped? You get a Grammy for the album, you. You get a Grammy for the album. If you get a Grammy for the album, you get a Grammy for one of them songs. I'm not asking you.
Yeah, man.
How are them here, bro?
Yeah, man, I cut out that song coming out.
Your presence felt, your presence heard, bro.
Yeah, man. So make we hear what that brother you say.
Hey, Gaza fans, in a real life, come to think of it, you know say Masicka really ungrateful when I look into it? In a real life, Masicka really ungrateful. I'm gonna tell you why ungrateful, bro. And a matter of fact, you know say Vybz Kartel and Alkaline save Masicka career. Yeah, man, I know that my son away to you know, but I'm gonna explain and tell you why.
Yes, because the 2 artists name him theme name Popel Alpha. You understand? I just that. Remember say Masicka was in the lonely road where that's why I do the interview and him say yo them never dog give him no credit. You understand? Until when the Gaza start give him the strength. You see me? And then him start go off Alkaline and all of them little thing there. If you realize with the album release, you know, them a call him with Cartel and Alkaline. I just see energy. You see it? Because them a talk about the album, but them a compete with other album. I saw you go. I just dance all that. But give it a few weeks or so. Let's see which major hit song come out of it.
Vybz Kartel and Alkaline save Masicka career. You see me? When the Alkaline biggest song them, you know, the After All, you know. When the Masicka biggest song in their career, you know. And my dogs them have to live featuring Vybz Kartel, you know. Remember say Alkaline song After All done 9 years ago, you know. That at 2017, you know. Then time the Masicka just a company scene and about south, you know. Remember say Masicka and Alkaline didn't agree for a morning, you know. Kartel featuring Masicka. After Kartel featuring Masicka, my dog them have to live drop 2017 to 9 years ago, you know, so the 2 songs dropping at the same time frame. You see that? So some people that say, you know, say the Alkaline song After All inspire Kartel to sing that song that my dog them have to live. What am I going to show?
Of course. You know what? We other song the big. That go on.
Or Kartel a genius or no Kartel a real youth. Remember, you know, Alkaline and Cartel big no good for a man, you know. So we not invert Cartel in the good part with Alkaline, you know. Masicka and Cartel different. Masicka and Alkaline big no good for a man, you know. You see me? So no say. When Alkaline dropped the song in a Bomba 2017, after all, you know, she said that song they almost overshot the whole of Masicka career. You know, she said Alkaline almost last Masicka off a map. Remember saying in 2017 when Alkaline dropped that song, that one of the biggest song that, you know.
Yeah, man, a real talk, man. After all, man. Until it's there. You understand? That song, they still a reign same way.
Differently from Gaza, man, me I tell you, you know. We just a state fact so they can understand what me I talk, you know. And Cartel and Masicka featuring, my dad, them have to live on the biggest song that again, in a den time there, you know. So you know see what go on. Alkaline drop, after all, nearly wipe out Masicka career off of him completely. So Cartel just drive for Masicka, say, watch you now. And I'm going to show you how Cartel is a musical genius. I'm going to show you how Cartel is a musical genius. Yeah, what Alkaline saying after all. My dad, them, yeah, what Alkaline saying after all. Me a couple of dogs, me know who that dead for me. That is a love, that is a loyalty. You hear the bar there. I hear where Cartel come and say, my dad, them have to live, say, hero Cartel is a musical genius. So Cartel tell you, say, him not killing friend them. None of him friend them have to dead for him. If nothing for go on, I told you about in this. So none of my friend them have to dead. You see the genius idea back of that. I saw the whole chorus come up, you know. My dad, them have to live, you know. I saw the whole chorus come up, you know. Masicka featuring Cartel. I saw the chorus come up, you know. So the chorus come up. So me I tell you, say, people, you see that look history there? A Masicka, a Alkaline, and Cartel save Masicka career. Alkaline and Cartel save Masicka career because when Alkaline dropped his song after all in 2017, I'm completely, if I never Vibes Cartel, call Masicka, say Masicka, come make we do a collab in that time, yeah. He would have lost completely, he would have lost, you know, because Alkaline would have throw him, rub him out completely, you know. So Cartel save Masicka career. And Alkaline would have said save in one way, if you understand what I say, people, you see me, and a facts, check it. Alkaline biggest song after all. Masicka biggest song in career, my dad's in my Philip. When Alkaline drop after all, Cartel come and drop my dad's in my Philip feature Masicka. So Cartel help Masicka in the time for rain again. Bumbuckler look on the leverage man give way Cartel give Alkaline another time that two again, man. Look on the leverage right there, give Alkaline another time there again. Masicka the time there again, I mean. So this is a joke thing. Believe man, believe people. Comment in the comment section and tell me one thing. You see me, who know, just don't know, you see me, but I know, understand. Yeah.
Well, I saw it going on. The two artists, them kind of give Masicka the energy. You don't know the competition thing right now at them. You understand? Because Masicka that deep at them, but nobody never really appeared in the mind because it was just the Gaza and the Vendetta thing. You see me? And then Masicka, you see me? Yeah, start get the strength and a bag of thing. You see it? I just one of them thing there because right now, everybody does rate Masicka. You see it? So everybody does promote him at the moment right now. You see it?
Masicka clash Alkaline and this Alkaline. We don't want you in front of your G. Just go on over this. Move, please and thank you. Just be nice. Just go over this and sing a look 1 and 2 songs with the same flow. All of them sound repetitive. You fuck like a copy and paste. Just stay over this, G. You get what I say? Because you're afraid for clash the youngest and the baddest, the man himself right now. You get what I say? You look there. Look who you go look one clash. You want to clash Cartel. We're done with clashing. Cause you know dog not gonna say. You get what I say? Because if it was the back then Cartel, you would even dare for try that. You get what I say? Clash Bumbuckler Alkaline. You're afraid of Alkaline. You're fuck. Them afraid. Just be nice. Post soul boy your crop.
No, it's the Alkaline bad. Alkaline is a teaser. Yes. He said what he said and he said what he said. Power.
Yeah, man. Alkaline just go on easy and I listen to them, you know. We don't realize, you know. I tell you, say, yo, Alkaline I play chess, you know. You understand when I play checkers. Because look at now. You know Alkaline though? The man of them song I put on, you know. What name? Body. Better Body and that one name Power. And the man just dash it out. Man just dash it, the song them out there. But make you go and talk and easy, you know. You think Alkaline smart? We just go on no thing, man. Go on. I just keep on active. Wait, man. We don't see nothing yet.
But look at the date. 8/14/26. Power. 8/14/26. Alkaline, you know you do. You're smart, you're clever, you're calculated. Every move, every step, everything you're calculated. Alone put in the neck.
Yeah, man. Boss, calculated for real.
Them like a jelly bean. Alkaline is not easy, you know. You don't easy. Creep up on them. Yeah, he's a creeper.
Yeah, man, for real.
Creeper. 8/14/26. Power. Go get it now. It's streaming.
Yeah, man. Alkaline new song go stream it. Power. You know what thing said.
Power. One little track and kill a whole fucking album. Let me find out. Power. Kill a whole album. Alkaline, you're not nice. You're too bad.
Yeah, and a lot does it show Alkaline drop a song. Remember, you know, no dancehall artist no own, no date. No date for release. YouTube free. But it's so funny, Alkaline release And they must say, yo, Alkaline, release one song where remember, you know. So I tell you, so youth powerful, you know. If you never powerful, you wouldn't see it. And I bet you, enough dancehall artists release song on the same day when Masicka release him album. But nobody now gonna talk about it. You see me? Because they not reach on that level there yet. That's why I'm trying to show you.
Bad. Yes. Them are working waving and you make a ripple. You see vision and not obstacle. Tell them, them obstacle, you know, see them. Alkaline not easy. Alkaline not easy.
Facts that.
That's all I can say. 8/14/26 power. 8/14/26 album release. Power. Kill it. Power turn off the light upon them. There is no shine. Power win. Power kill a whole album. A whole album.
Remember that them say, you know, so 1 kill 16 with Alkaline album. You know what the funniest thing? You know, so when, remember say Masicka drop theme song, you know, like close in the Alkaline album time, you know. And you never told you nobody call out. Remember, you know, Masicka, I think him drop the preview when them say, if you drop, nobody no say nothing. All of them look a thing there. But when it happened to Masicka now, everybody say, yo, Alkaline and really drop song. But me kinda understand, say, Masicka, I one of them baby with soda in their mouth when it comes to the industry. Yeah, man, because you don't know Masicka and everybody good. That's just one of them things they saw. The strength I got there for him. You see it?
Alkaline, you calculate better moving on. Don't put another neck. Crush them like a jelly bean. Guess who's bad?
Big up Marva.
Bad. Alkaline. Alkaline. Alkaline, Alkaline, Alkaline. One key, man. Yes. A star. That's anyway, Alkaline said what he said and what he said. He said and what he does. Bye.
Yeah, man.
We're not telling like people. Masicka go splash with Alkaline. Then you have a chance of becoming humongous. Do that step there.
No, but for real. But I know still, yo, everybody I say, yo, Masicka for clash Alkaline, Masicka for clash. Even can't tell himself say it. But when you really sure say Masicka want clash, like some of the time I remember say Masicka follow the crowd, you know, when it comes to Alkaline, you know. You understand? I remember say from the get-go Alkaline, not even meds Masicka. Masicka go up an interview because he want to just call a man name and just get the highlight there. You see me? I just that. Masicka not serious, my G. Him not serious, bro. You see me? Him not serious.
You know what I say? Step in the name of hate, man. Step in the name. Because I know that if you want Alkaline, go at it right now, bro. I'm not going to create something. But you're afraid of Alkaline, bro. Afraid of Alkaline because you don't really want to clash in artists, you know. Forward, though. Do it, man.
But the worst thing is that, you know, Masicka say him love clash and him grow up. But him nah, brother. Imagine you only just clash one man. Tommy Lee, that's it. You don't love clash, brother. You go on like you love clash. You're not really clear. You say you grew up with this and that, and if you know the first official clash you do are with Tommy Lee. That's the only thing, my G. You see me? And we see the potential. Say, yo, brother, I don't know your type of clashing, brother. That's a joke thing. I tell you.
Take my foolish advice and do it like Nike and Jordan and Reebok. Go splash with Alkaline, bro. I think I better move that for you if you want to propel your career up on the next level. You know what I said? People say if you win. You're not full of argument, you know. You're not full of argument at all, me I tell you. It's not a face the nigga. But anyhow, make us see what you can do. Cause, you know you will want to go on a different levels right now. But you don't know how or what to do. But I'm telling you, don't work no voodoo. Bro, just go splash with Alkaline, man. You know what I say? You get a jump start. Or splash with Alka, and you get a jump start. See? What is under my nose?
Jaja people, why? But I know, dancer right now, better just be hype and a bag of talking and a bag of this. You see me, and nothing reality, but we're gonna see what going down the line.
Alkaline and Vibes Cartel attempt to step on Masicka's album release. So Vibes Cartel and Alkaline both release a song, and I want you to know that Masicka himself did not release a song, either an Alkaline's album date or Vibes Cartel album date. So you be the judge of that. Let me know what.
Bro, no man no want no date, my G. You see me? No man no want no date. Remember, say songs can set for put out, you know. No man no want no date. And if I saw what wrong, Masicka do the same thing too. When Alkaline, within Alkaline album. Like the day when Alkaline when he put out pre-release, everybody attack say, yo, this kill album and one bag of Ray. Masicka do the same thing, my G. So when I just now pre-wag one.
Think about this in the comment. Is it just music, or is this something, you know, industry slide going on to take away from Masicka's big day?
Yeah, man, them a say, yo, me never know say people won date to us. But I just one of them thing that the competition, you see me, I say go. Everybody go through it. You see me? Yeah, man, I just one of them thing there. Just make it place night, make people talk. You see it. But people, I don't know a thing set, you know, you don't know one meter facts, you know. You see me? As me say, Masicka album is a good album. You see it? Yeah, you don't know say Masicka we do them type of already. And I nothing new. You understand? And I nothing new. What go on right now, people that are listening to the song, hype it up. Cause it just released, you know, that get couple numbers. I see him with every album. That get this and get that. Only thing we can see is that, you know, Def Jam spend a big money. Big money for promotion I go on. And first of all, you don't know the Barclays Center. So them are gonna hype it up because you don't know them a say ticket now sell. So you see it? But we are gonna see still. You see me? You know, I'm not gonna go into the review. You see it till like 2 days after the show. So I know say in the morning, in the next day this. So we are gonna see and then me show no what I go on when me see the clip. You see me? But people big up on the side don't want me to fox pan up. That is it.